The future of AI governance platforms introduction. In an age where artificial intelligence governs critical decisions, the role of AI governance platforms has never been more crucial. How do we ensure transparency, accountability, and fairness in AI systems? Join us as we dive into the world of AI governance, exploring cutting-edge platforms that are shaping the future of ethical AI. Stay tuned at Tech Revolution. Understanding AI governance. Definition and significance. AI governance refers to the frameworks, policies, and practices that ensure AI systems operate ethically, transparently, and responsibly. It encompasses principles of transparency, accountability, and fairness, aiming to mitigate biases and prevent misuse. Historical context and evolution of AI governance. AI governance has evolved alongside AI technology. Early AI systems were governed by basic regulatory frameworks, primarily focusing on data privacy and security. As AI systems became more complex and integrated into critical decision-making processes, the need for comprehensive governance frameworks grew. Key players in AI governance. Government bodies and regulatory agencies. Governments worldwide play a significant role in AI governance. Regulatory agencies establish policies and guidelines to ensure ethical AI deployment. Examples include the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) and the United States National AI Initiative Act. International organizations and standards bodies. Organizations like the International Organization for Standardization (ISO) and the IEEE Standards Association develop global standards for AI DL. Governance. These standards promote consistency and interoperability across different regions and industries. Private sector initiatives and consortiums. Tech companies and industry consortiums, such as the Partnership on AI, develop best practices and ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment. These initiatives often collaborate with governments and academic institutions to shape AI governance frameworks. Nonprofit and advocacy organizations. Nonprofits and advocacy groups play a crucial role in raising awareness about AI ethics and governance. Organizations like AI Now Institute and the Center for Humane Technology advocate for responsible AI practices and hold companies accountable for ethical lapses. Components of AI governance platforms. Policy frameworks and guidelines. Policy frameworks define the ethical principles and standards that guide AI development and deployment. These include guidelines on data privacy, algorithmic transparency, and accountability. Ethical standards and best practices. Ethical standards ensure AI systems align with societal values and human rights. Best practices include conducting impact assessments, involving diverse stakeholders in decision-making, and regularly auditing AI systems for biases. Compliance and audit mechanisms. Compliance mechanisms ensure organizations adhere to established policies and standards. Regular audits and assessments help identify and address ethical issues, ensuring continuous improvement in AI governance. Monitoring and enforcement tools. Monitoring tools track AI systems' performance and compliance with ethical standards. Enforcement tools, such as regulatory penalties and public reporting, hold organizations accountable for violations. Real-world applications, AI and healthcare, ensuring ethical practices. AI governance in healthcare ensures that AI-driven diagnostics and treatment plans are transparent, unbiased, and respect patient privacy. Ethical AI practices enhance trust between patients and healthcare providers. AI in finance, preventing bias and discrimination in finance. AI governance mitigates biases in credit scoring, lending, and investment decisions. Transparent algorithms and regular audits prevent discrimination and promote fairness in financial services. AI in law enforcement. Promoting transparency and accountability. AI governance in law enforcement ensures that AI-powered surveillance and predictive policing tools are used responsibly. Transparent policies and accountability mechanisms prevent abuses of power and protect civil liberties. AI in education, safeguarding student data and privacy. AI governance in education protects student data and ensures AI-driven learning tools are used ethically. Policies on data privacy and algorithmic transparency promote trust and effectiveness in educational technologies. Technical aspects of AI governance platforms. Data management and privacy-effective data management practices ensure AI systems use data responsibly and securely. Privacy-preserving techniques, such as differential privacy and federated learning, protect sensitive information while enabling data-driven insights. Algorithmic transparency and explainability. Algorithmic transparency allows stakeholders to understand how AI systems make decisions. Explainability techniques such as model interpretability and visualizations demystify AI processes and promote trust. Bias detection and mitigation. Bias detection tools identify and address biases in AI algorithms and datasets. Techniques like fairness metrics and adversarial debiasing ensure AI systems operate equitably and without discrimination. Risk assessment and management. Risk assessment frameworks evaluate the potential impacts and risks associated with AI systems. Proactive risk management practices, including scenario planning and mitigation strategies, enhance AI governance. Case studies. Successful AI governance implementations. Case studies of successful AI governance highlight best practices and lessons learned. Examples include AI governance complexity scaling. AI governance frameworks to handle complex AI systems and large datasets is a significant challenge. Ensuring robust governance across diverse applications requires innovative solutions and collaboration. Ethical challenges. Balancing innovation and regulation. Balancing the need for innovation with ethical considerations is a delicate task. Overregulation can stifle innovation, while underregulation can lead to ethical lapses. Finding the right balance is crucial. Social challenges. Public perception and acceptance. Public perception and acceptance of AI governance practices influence their effectiveness. Educating the public about the importance of AI governance and addressing concerns can enhance acceptance and trust. Legal challenges. Harmonizing global regulations. Harmonizing AI governance regulations across different regions is challenging. International cooperation and standardization efforts are essential to create consistent and effective governance frameworks. The future of AI governance. Emerging trends and innovations. Emerging trends in AI governance include the development of AI self-governance tools, increased use of blockchain for transparency, and the integration of ethical AI principles into AI development workflows. The role of AI in self-governance. AI systems are increasingly being used to govern other AI systems. Self-governance tools leverage AI's capabilities to monitor, audit, and enforce ethical standards, enhancing the effectiveness of governance frameworks. Predictions for the next decade. Over the next decade, AI governance will continue to evolve, driven by technological advancements and societal demands for ethical AI. Innovations in AI governance tools and practices will shape the future of ethical AI deployment. The impact of AI governance on society. Effective AI governance will have a profound impact on society, promoting fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. As AI becomes more integrated into daily life, robust governance frameworks will be essential to ensure positive outcomes. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI governance platforms play a critical role in ensuring ethical and responsible AI deployment. By addressing technical, ethical, social, and legal challenges, These platforms promote transparency, accountability, and fairness in AI systems. As we navigate the complexities of AI governance, it is essential to engage with and support initiatives that advance ethical AI practices. Stay informed and engaged with Tech Revolution as we continue to explore the frontiers of technology.